Hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to show discount on product page horizon theme in Shopify. This one is actually simple to do because if you want to simply represent a sale ongoing, the first thing is you can use any app, but you have an option inside Shopify for that as well. Simply head over to your products and then choose any product that you want to go with sale, and then you need to add a compare it price. Now once you add this compare it price, it is automatically going to be cutting or striking through this older version of the pricing and then representing this latest price, which is going to be the actual sale price. So let me actually show you how this looks. So if you click on this eye icon on the online store, you are going to be able to see what I mean. You can see the sale badge also showing up, and we have this price crossed out, which is 9,000, and 5,000 is actually showing up. So this is how simple it is. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.